Alright, check it out. I got all excited, so I brought the Jacoje mess all the way in here in the restroom where it's all lit up. The stickers, the weights. Here's the weight for the 16-inch, 3mm. It's right here. And here's the weight and width for the 4mm, 6.5. 5.5 grams for this. Look at that nice lobster clasp. So let me just zoom in on that. Got Italy. Right here got 595, 585. Italy. And flip them around. There you go, you got your, let's see what that say. Jacoje? Does that say Jacoje? All little? Jacoje maybe? No, 14 karat, and I really can't tell what that says. Let's go to the bigger one, it might have it. This one has Jacoje, 14 karat, and there it says 585 on the lobster clasp. So I think it does say Jacoje right here. It looks like it does. Yep. Maybe a different angle. Yeah. Jacoje. Anyway, that's what I got for the Black Friday 2023 sale. I didn't get myself anything this time, but seeing my wife or wifey wearing all this brings more joy than anything. So there you go. That's what that looks like on the hand. Next to a 6mm ring. Look, that lobster clasp is chunky. And this one is nice too, but this one's a lot bigger. Looks like they forgot to put the Jacoje emblem on it. Like, bro. What is up with that? Like, it says Jacoje, but it should have, like, on this side, this empty side, like the logo. Anyway, nitpicking, gold is gold. Oh, no, it doesn't. It says 14 karat. Yeah. Let me check the video right now and see if it, the online pictures, and see if that has a Jacoje sign or just the lettering like this has. But that's the purchase, that's for wifey, and it's gonna look great. She already put it on for real. I was gonna get this as a necklace, and I think it would have been baller as heck. Should have just done it, but the bracelet's beautiful, and she has the 2mm as well, so that's super cool. And I'll make that video later. So yeah, peace. By autumn.